So we're given four numbers and asked to write them in order of size, starting with the smallest. Now all of these have got recurring decimals in them, apart from the last one actually. So let's write down the decimals in a slightly sort of expanded form. So 0.246 recurring is 0. Well, that means the 4 and the 6 recur. So we have a 2 and then 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, etc. on forever and ever. And then 0.246 recurring is just the 6. So that's 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, again forever. And then the 0.246 with the dots at both ends means the whole block there of 246 recurs. So that's 246, 246, 2, yeah, etc. Again forever. And then 0.246, well, that's just 0.246. Okay, you could then put an infinite number of zeros after if you wanted to. So starting with the smallest, so let's put them in order of size. Okay, well, it's very clear that that last one, the 246, is first because that is got nothing after it, and all of these have a bit more than 246. So what comes next? Well, let's look at the fourth decimal place, and that will give it away. Okay, again, it's clear, I hope, that the one with the 2 in the fourth decimal place, so that's this one, will come next, and so that's 0.246 all recurring, and then the one with the 4 in the fourth decimal place is the next one, so that's 0.246 recurring, and then that just leaves the biggest one, which is the one where just the 6 recurs, and so that is 0.246 recurring, like that. And that is the numbers in order of size.